If Wu could talk, what do you think he would sound like?
Wu would say it's a great day to be a shocker.
He would sound really high pitched. So he'd be like, woo!
Whoa.
I'll be calling Woo.
He can't talk.
I mean, that's just your opinion.
I think he's mute. He can't talk.
Okay, nope, we're done with her. Would you mind telling me, what does Shocker Nation mean to you?
Shocker Nation, I think it's more of geography. It's more of an attitude. It's a united, camaraderie, I think, among other WSU alumni.
Do you think you could give us your best Greg Marshall impression? What's your favorite Shocker memory?
Probably when we went to the Final Four in Atlanta.
That's mine as well. That is mine as well. Yeah, you nailed it. What do you think Wu eats?
I think Wu eats competition.
Nutrients from the soil. I think it's pretty well known that Wu is a cannibal. I mean, he's chewing on a piece of wheat. It's kind of hard to deny.
Chocolate. Anything chocolate.
Do you have any chocolate to show us?
Oh, yes, I do. I can help there. Covered Oreos. There's some Nestle's Crunch Bars, Hershey's Dark Chocolate, Reese's Peanut Butter Chocolate.
2 hours later.
Peanut butter filled pretzels. Those are really good.
All right, yep. Thanks for your time. What do you like about working at Wichita State?
I think everybody's excited about where the university's going. They're excited to see the change and be part of it and be like history in the making.
The camaraderie that you get with faculty, staff, and students. And I think it's a lot of fun. And we always have new things happening. So you don't want to miss out.
The people, just all the different things I see, art, music, science, all interests of mine. So I enjoyed just the atmosphere and the energy of the university.
If Wu, if you played an instrument, what instrument do you think you'd play?
Oh, Wu would play the trombone. Without a doubt, trombone.
Ma'am, can you give me your best play angry face?
No, ask him.
Is there anything you'd like to add?
Go Shots.
I don't know. Please say this really isn't going anywhere.
It really isn't going anywhere.